Gonzalez. I am 26 years old. I live in Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. I am a college level student taking up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology for 1 year. I decided to apply this job since I have already my experience for 8 months last 2019. And I know also that I have my passion in teaching. My hobbies are teaching, reading, writing, and dancing. When it comes to students, I know how to handle their mood, such as a naughty mood, good mood, or bad mood. And I can adopt things easily, and I am a fast learner also. I am hoping that you're going to give me a chance to show my teaching skills in your company. Thank you.